The objective of this practice is to develop the skill to produce quality fillet welds on 125 thousandths inch aluminum in the vertical position with uphill travel. The materials, equipment, and power source settings are the same as in previous exercises and are listed in your workbook. This job practice will follow the procedure used in Topic 4. Both sides of the joint will be welded. Only one side of the lap and T-joints will be welded in sequence to prevent excessive heat buildup. Since welding will be done in the vertical position, traveling up the joint, it is important to use the prescribed work and travel angles and to maintain a smooth, steady travel speed. If desired, a small tab may be tacked to one end of the lap joint to aid in clamping. While the joints are hot from tack welding, clean them thoroughly with a stainless steel wire brush to remove oxide coatings and contaminants. Clamp the workpiece in the vertical position and assume a comfortable stance that allows free movement. The lap joint will be welded first with a 65 to 70 degree work angle and a 5 to 10 degree push travel angle. Move up the joint with a smooth, steady travel speed, keeping the electrode wire slightly ahead of the puddle center, and stay in the root of the joint to avoid undercutting the edge of the upper plate. The finished bead should be 1/4 inch wide and flat to slightly convex. The T-joint is welded with the same technique as the lap. However, a 40 to 50 degree work angle will be necessary to prevent undercut and excessive penetration. The travel angle remains the same. Move up the joint with the electrode wire slightly ahead of the center of the puddle. Although it is difficult to see if the wire is melting off correctly, it is possible to determine this by listening to the arc. The finished bead face should be flat to slightly convex and 1/4 inch wide. Inspect your welds and then continue practice.